Hey there, smart shoppers! Welcome back to Buy Smart, the channel where we compare products so you can make the best purchasing decisions. Today, we have an epic showdown between two gaming motherboards that will leave you in awe. On the left, we have the mighty MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk gaming motherboard, and on the right, the ASUS ROG Strix B550-A gaming. Buckle up because this battle is about to get intense. Let's kick things off with the price, shall we? The MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk comes in at a cool $169, while the ASUS ROG Strix B550-A gaming is priced slightly higher at $179. So, if you're on a tight budget, the MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk is the way to go. Now, let's talk about support and audio. Both motherboards support the latest AMD Ryzen processors, but the MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk takes it a step further with support for future AMD Ryzen processors through a BIOS update. And when it comes to audio, the Tomahawk boasts audio ports with the Realtek ALC 1200 ALC 1220p codec. It's like having a concert in your PC. Time to dive into memory and networking. The MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk supports dual-channel DDR4 memory up to a whopping 128 GB at a blazing 4,866 MHz. Talk about a memory monster. And when it comes to networking, it offers not one, but two LAN options. 2.5G LAN plus gigabit LAN. You'll be zooming through the virtual world in no time. Let's shed some light on the next comparison: lighting and thermal solutions. The MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk features Mystic Light, which gives you a mesmerizing RGB LED lighting experience with 16.8 million colors and 29 effects. It's a disco party inside your PC. And as for thermal solutions, this beauty comes with an aluminum cover, a choke thermal pad rated for 7W/MK, and a PCB with 2-ounce thickened copper. It's like having a personal cooler for your motherboard. Hold on tight because it's time to talk about speed and connectivity. The MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk supports PCIe 4.0, Lightning Gen 4 M.2 with M.2 Shield Frozer, and AMD Turbo USB 3.2 Gen 2. It's like strapping a rocket to your motherboard. You'll be zooming through games and transferring data at lightning-fast speeds. Our final comparison takes us to power design and gaming audio. The ASUS ROG Strix B550-A gaming boasts a robust power design with 12+2 DRMOS power stages, high-quality alloy chokes, and durable capacitors. It's like having a power station in your PC. And when it comes to gaming audio, the Strix B550-A gaming features Supreme FX S1220A codec with DTS Sound Unbound and Sonic Studio 3. You'll feel like you're in the middle of a virtual battlefield. Wait, we're not done yet. Let's talk about networking and connectivity for the ASUS ROG Strix B550-A gaming. This beast comes equipped with 2.5 gigabits LAN with ASUS LANguard for high-performance gaming networking. And if that's not enough, it supports HDMI 2.1 4K at 60 Hz and DisplayPort 1.2 output, dual M.2 slots with PCIe 4.0 x4 connectivity, a USB 3.2 Gen 2 Type-C port, and even a Thunderbolt 3 header. It's like having a Swiss Army knife of connectivity options. Based on online reviews, the MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk gaming motherboard is praised for its affordable price, support for future AMD Ryzen processors, high-capacity memory support, mesmerizing RGB lighting, high-speed connectivity, and efficient cooling. On the other hand, the ASUS ROG Strix B550-A gaming is commended for its premium price, robust power design, immersive gaming audio, high-performance networking, and versatile connectivity options. Phew, that was one intense battle between the MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk gaming motherboard and the ASUS ROG Strix B550-A gaming. Both of these motherboards have their own unique strengths, whether it's the MSI MAG B550 Tomahawk's affordable price or the ASUS ROG Strix B550-A gaming's robust power design. But at the end of the day, it all comes down to your personal preferences and budget. Don't forget to check the links in the description below for more information on these products. And if you enjoyed this video, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more epic comparisons. Thanks for watching, and remember to always buy smart,